Hey there, this is Tara with WTI, trying to age as gracefully as I can. So that is why I'm so glad that there's products like this GLO24K anti-aging facelift cream. I love how it comes in a tube, so it makes it so easy to use. Whenever it comes out, it's more like a gel than a cream, but yet it soaks in really nicely. It's easy to use, you just dab it on, and then you just smooth it into your skin, and then you let it sit. And then once it sits, it really does feel like your face is being firmed. So I tried to be very consistent when I was using this. I tried to make sure that I use this product every single day, and as the days passed, I felt like it was really starting to firm the skin. I also had to use an extra moisturizer so I would make sure I was moisturized. But at the end of the few weeks, I felt like my face was firmer. So as you can see, I'm a type of person who doesn't like to wear a lot of makeup. I like a more natural look. So I was really pleased with this product, that it's gonna help me to be able to feel my best self naturally. And that is just my point of view.